Part 2. Hello? Hello?
Hello? Hello?
Did you not read my ad? Like...
Nah.
You just saw my number and just called.
You just saw my number and just called me.
Yeah.
Okay, it clearly said on my ad to be respectful when calling. Like, why would you hit me with some incriminating shit on my phone? Really? What's wrong with you? That shit is not cute. So you just call random people phone and ask how much for head.
No.
What? Yeah, that's what I thought.
He didn't know what to say.
He sounds like a stupid ass.
He sounds young.
He sounds young and dumb.
And full of cum.
Yeah. I'm so mad. It's hard to be mad now, though. He didn't give me the reaction I wanted, I guess. Fuck it. Plenty more people to beef with. Than one of them